film. This is all a result of totally, I would say, your effort. It is because of the media we were able to project the injustice that has been done to the country club. The very fact that the DPR detailed project report, I mean in this case the detailed project report of 2006, which is relevant, was after months together when we were planning to give the DPR, they had never bothered to give it. On the contrary, the reply was, this is an intellectual property, we cannot give it. Then I'm just trying to tell you what is the meaning of an intellectual property. I can't understand why Mr. Rajeev Reddy is hiding the DPR. On what basis did Rajeev Reddy declare that the DPR is an intellectual property as he contended to the High Court? IPR, or intellectual property by definition, is proprietary information. HMR, on the contrary, is a public property or a public service where every citizen of the country has a right to know the full details. Why is he evading the DPR? We only got an extract. This is only an extract, which is only, but a tip on the iceberg. I'm sure, I think a lot more skeletons will come out. I think once the entire DPR really comes out. And my dear friends, for this DPR, this is a public document. Dini koraku memu months together we had to fight. Then we had to approach the Honorable Court. Before approaching the Honorable Court, I was having an interaction with the media. And because of your help and all that, the courts also have really taken a very, very objective, positive view. And they found, yes, they were not being given the DPR in spite of so many requests. So they made the DPR available in the court itself, and our officers were asked to examine. And there was another date was fixed in the HMR office, and there we found that the DPR, which was just shown to you, along with all the railway stations from 1 to 11, I mean starting from IICT, Tarnaka, Lalaguda, Metuguda, Secunderabad, Parade Grounds, Paradise, Rasulpura, Prakash Nagar, Dani Tarvata, Begumpet. Begumpet is just next to public school and just before Varun Motors, and then Tarvata, Amirpet. Then ekkada madhyana country లేదు. అయినా కూడా మమ్మల్ని పీడించాలని చెప్పి అయినా కూడా I mean to harass us for I don't know who is behind it, but definitely there are definitely some forces, and apart from that, you know, unless this is thoroughly investigated, I'm sure, I think a lot more truth is going to come out, because it is only through the courts where we were able to give us access to the DPR, and that too in their office, and now the two in the courts we were able to find out. So my dear friends, this is the outcome of the media conference what we had last time. We have made a very substantial development. I am really surprised that people, I mean such important people holding high positions. DPR is a very common document anywhere in the world. You know, in fact, even in India, Delhi, Cochin, Bangalore, all other places, DPRs are put on the company website. There is nothing to hide. These are all the public projects. The fact they are trying to hide, what is it they are trying to hide that I am not able to figure out? I mean, I am an entrepreneur myself. I have no time to waste. But when things are, when injustice is being done in such a manner, I mean, it's time to realize that we, are totally taken aback. Not only HMR, but all the associates involved with HMR.
బేగంపేట్ స్టేషన్ 10,071 చైనేజ్తో 1386 మీటర్ల దూరంలో ఉంటుందని డిపిఆర్ ధృవీకరించింది.